Yep. Now that I have you, I'm going to scare the crap out of you. The hiccups will go away if I scare you with a video.
I think you're full of it.
You think it's what?
My dad scared him.
Okay, come on. We're gonna see if the sugar thing works.
Suck it down, dude.
Sugar.
Yep.
Suck it down.
Sugar and
YouTube video on hiccup removal.
And
Yeah,
we'll test the theory.
YouTube. Can this get rid of this guy's hiccups?
The sugar packet. I'm so glad you didn't say, give me some sugar.
For real.
Okay.
Quit it.
Please give me a big old sugary kiss.
It did not work.
It mellowed him. Mellowed him.
Quit.
That wasn't as bad as the last.
Quit. You're like making me like feel like I'm already. Hey,
That's working so far.
for real.
Yep, another packet. Bring it here.
So it really is not working. And then he's gonna drink some more beer.
Look at it.
That's pretty tight.